In this video, we're going to be looking at factoring a difference of squares with one variable. Okay, so a difference of squares formula says that when you have anything that's being squared minus any other thing that's being squared, you can factor it into a plus b, a minus b. And that's the same thing as a minus b, a plus b. It doesn't matter which parentheses you put the plus or minus sign, but you need them both, right? Okay, so what we're going to try to do to these problems is get them in the form of two things that are being squared, label them as a and b, and then put it in like this. Okay, so for this one, w squared, that's going to be my a, minus what number squared gives us 25? 5 does. Okay, so 5 squared is 25. That's my b. So a plus b, a minus b, w plus 5, w minus 5. Okay, next one. Let's rewrite the 36. What number squared gives us 36? That would be a 6. 6 squared minus u squared. Here's our a, here's our b. So 6 plus u, 6 minus u. Okay, next one, we got v squared minus 64. So here's the v squared, that's my a. What number squared gives us 64? That would be 8. 8 squared, so that's our b. A plus b, a minus b. B plus 8, b minus 8. Okay, let's look at these last three. A little bit tougher on these. So 49 is the same thing as what number squared? 7. And then we have to write two terms or two things in this one. So what number squared gives 25? Well, that's 5. And then the z. So I'll write it like this. 5z together squared. That's because if I square the 5, remember when you have it like this, you square each individual term because this is a product on the inside. So 5 squared is 25, and z squared, of course, is z squared. So here's a, here's b, 7 plus 5z, 7 minus 5z. Okay. What number squared gets 81? That would be 9, so I can write this term as 9x squared. And then what number squared gives us 16? That would be 4. So a and b, 9x plus 4, 9x minus 4. Okay, and then the last one, what number squared gives us 4? That's 2 squared. And then the 9 is 3, so 3y squared. Here's a, here's b. So 2 plus 3y, 2 minus 3y.